This is our second assignment with figurative language, learning how to identify it and use the information in the figurative language to help to add to our comprehension and understanding of the text. Last week you were given a figurative language device from a sentence. You had to identify what device was used and what it meant. You'll be doing something similar this week, only this time you might be given the device and where it is in the passage, and you have to find it and tell what it means. So I just wanted to go over with you how this assignment is formatted so that you don't have any problems completing it. We are going to be reading Out of the Dust, pages 55 through 65. So just make sure that as you are looking at the assignment, you're paying attention to the page numbers. And for this assignment, do not go past 65. So hopefully you've read the passages first before you're trying to do this assignment. It will make it easier. And also you should have that handout that has all of the figurative language devices listed on it to help you figure this out as well. So in the first example, I've told you that on page 55 in the second stanza, which if you'll remember is like a paragraph, so here's the first stanza, here's the second stanza, there's a figurative language device used. And what I'm telling you over here in the highlighted part is that you're looking for a simile. So you need to find the device and write it in this box. And then you also have to describe its meaning for me. I've told you you're looking for a simile and where you can find it. Now it's your turn to give it a try. Please pause the video, find the simile, copy it down, and try to explain what it means. Okay, you're back. So let's take a look at the second stanza. In the second stanza, it starts off with, "That quarter inch of rain did wonders for Ma too, who is as ripe as a melon these days." I'm going to stop there. I heard is ripe as a melon, and if you'll remember, a simile compares two things using like or as. So you need to write that sentence in here. That quarter inch of rain did wonders for Ma too, who is as, there we go, there's the simile clue, ripe as a melon these days. When you think of a melon, and if you know that it's ripe or fruit, you know that it's ready. It's done. It can't go much further. So what this actually means, and if you'll remember from the text, is that Ma is pregnant. So what this means is that Ma is ready for what? To have her baby. Ripe as a melon means she's ready to have her baby. Let's look at the next example, also on page 55. You need to look in the stanza, which happens to be the third one, and you need to read the whole passage. You need to find the device, and you need to tell me what it means. "Today she stood out in the drizzle, hidden from the road and from Daddy, and she thought from me. But I could see her from the barn. She was as bare, she was bare as a pear, raindrops sliding down her skin, leaving traces of mud on her face and her long back, trickling dark and light paths." Well, I heard a simile because I heard bare as a pear. And that is a simile. Again, we're comparing Ma to something that is bare, and that's a pear. So, well, guess what? She was enjoying a shower in the rain. So it does mean that Ma was undressed. So as you go through these, remember that if there's a red print, you need to copy something down and give me some information. Anything highlighted means that I'm giving you the information. So go ahead and try this assignment. Remember that you are only following the examples that go up to page 65. Don't go past that. And give it a try, and we'll talk about this in class.